Hi guys, Steve here from Blind Repair Solutions. Today we're going to be repairing a honeycomb blind which won't go up all the way. Okay, so you can see as we operate the blind goes down, it only comes up to there. And you can hear it, you can actually hear what's happening with the blind. There it is there. So what it will be, the blind will actually have a knot inside it. Okay, so we've got the blind down, so now we're just going to slide this centre bar out, and what it does, that exposes all the cords. And you can see here that this is the culprit, the one I'm pulling now. You can see the knot coming down through. We'll keep pulling till we get the knot out of the bottom. Now that I've pulled it out, you can see the knot there. So it's just a case of undoing the knot and then putting the blind back together. And now that we've removed the knot, we've got the blind back together and ready to install. And now for the moment of truth. Blind's reinstalled, we've just got to see if it's going to work. Okay, so we've got the knot out, we've got the blind installed. You can see that everything's looking good. Now we've just got to let it down, see if it's going to come down all the way, which it is. And then whether it's going to go up all the way, which it is. To avoid this happening, when you're letting your pleated blind down or your honeycomb blind down, don't let it down too fast. Let it down quite slowly, because if you let it down fast and the blind bounces at the bottom, the cords can bunch up inside the blind. That's when you have that knot tying itself. It's a strange thing that happens in these blinds where they do tie a knot in themselves at times. But as you can see, it's not difficult to get the blind down and remove the knot.